Welcome to another video of Trash Dump Truck Driver Simulator. We're going to be driving garbage trucks in this game. We're going to be, driving which garbage truck should I drive? Probably this one, the Reuse, Rescue, Recycle. Reuse, Rescue, Recycle. Also front loader. And it's the same as the Waste Management garbage truck as well, like this one right here. Here we go. We're gonna be driving this one. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We're picking it up. Yes. Wow. Look at that thing. Oh no. Sorry, because I just crashed into that wall because I don't know how to drive yet, but don't worry. I'm just practicing how to drive. Ah no. Oh no, there's a fence right there. Look at that. Whoa! Almost I missed that garbage can. Oh no, don't worry. I'm gonna pick it up when I go to the dump. Look at that. I think I'm driving. Time to empty this. Time to empty. Time to empty all this. All trash, get emptied. Ah, no. Man. I'm not a good driver. Empty these bins. There's a lot of garbage in this. Look at this. Whoa. Right now I'm legitimately steering with a steering wheel. I'm pushing his car. Does his car need to be pushed? I'll push his car. Look at all that trash. car just drove into me. My truck is now full. It's now my truck is full. Time to go to the junkyard. Time to go to this junkyard right here. Wow. That was a lot of garbage. Yep, time to empty. Yes, 3, 2, 1, lift up, lift it up, lift it up. Yay! We emptied all of it out. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on a single video like this. Bye!